Hello guys, this is Justin Srivastava and here I am with a new video set on practical aspect of directory submission. In the last lecture we have explored the theoretical abstract and I have promised to give you a practical lecture as well. So this is what we are going to do today. So this is the website which we are going to follow for this practical lecture, site promotion directory. The steps are simple and straightforward. Here you have to go to the submit link and then the link. You can do the article submission here as well. That we will do in the next lecture, blog versus article submission. In this lecture that focus on the directory submission here. The steps are quite simple and straightforward. This is what we have basically discussed in the last lecture. There are different types of directory submission. That is the featured link that will get uploaded in 24 to 48 hours, but you have to pay around this much money to them yearly. Okay, and the regular link which is free of cost but take around 4 to 6 months. And the regular link with reciprocal means a link interchanging process that will take around 2 weeks to get it reviewed. Let's get to the regular link. Okay, so I am not going to fill any dummy data here. Basically, let me just give you an overview of what these fields are all about. So the first one is the title of your website, like in mine case it is free SEO training. And the URL, that is onlineseoblog.com. Description, what my website is all about. Meta keywords, free SEO training, quality backlinks, off-page SEO techniques, on-page SEO technique, etc. Based on the meta keywords, just club them and write a meta description with a character limit of 250. Your name should be there, your email ID, category, like in my case it is education. I will pick up the education one. Then the reciprocal link, this is not our case, it is mandatory because we have picked the regular link. Then you have to just hit continue, and within this time period they're going to review your website and will let you know once the backlink is generated. So this was all about the web directory for this website. There are other websites as well that we discussed. You can go through them as well. The steps would be simple, straightforward, and like this only. Thank you so much for your presence in today's lecture.